Do you ever feel like you're working hard, but your money just disappears? You're not alone. Many people feel overwhelmed by their finances. But what if we told you there's a simple, step-by-step process to take control of your money and build a life with financial freedom? This is your ultimate guide to budgeting. The first step to any budget is to understand exactly where your money is going. For 1 month, track every single dollar and cent you spend. Don't worry about being perfect. Just log it all, whether it's a coffee run, your rent, or that online shopping spree. You can use a simple notebook, a spreadsheet, or a free app. This gives you a clear picture of your current habits. Once you have your numbers, the next step is to organize them. Group your expenses into categories. This helps you see where you're overspending without even realizing it. Common categories include housing, food, transportation, entertainment, and savings. This step turns your raw data into useful information. Now for the most popular and simple budgeting method, the 50-30-20 rule. It breaks your after-tax income into 3 main buckets. 50% goes to your needs, things you can't live without, like rent, utilities, and groceries. 30% goes to your wants. This is your fun money for dining out, hobbies, and shopping. And finally, 20% goes to your savings and debt repayment. It's a simple, powerful framework that works for anyone. The secret to making a budget stick is to pay yourself first. Once you have your categories, set up an automatic transfer to your savings or investment account right after your paycheck lands. This ensures you save before you even have a chance to spend. Automation takes the willpower out of saving, making it a habit you can't fail to keep. A budget isn't a one-time project. It's a living document. Once a week or once a month, review your spending. Did you go over in a category? That's okay. Just adjust your plan for next time. Budgeting is about progress, not perfection. This ongoing process helps you learn about your habits and makes you more intentional with your hard-earned dollars. Budgeting gives you clarity, reduces stress, and puts you in the driver's seat of your financial life. It might seem intimidating, but by following these 5 simple steps, you can create a plan that works for you. Take control of your money and start your journey to financial freedom today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips. This must be money.